Hello, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you how you can create a sticky transparent header using Elementor and Elementor Pro. Yes, you require Elementor Pro for this functionality. Also, we need an additional plugin. I'm going to show you which plugin we require. Go to plugin section and then click on add new. Once you click on add new, you will have to search for a plugin named Sticky Header Effects for Elementor. This is a free plugin by R. Wutner. You can simply install this plugin. So first thing that we have after activating, first thing that we have to do is to go to the templates and go to theme builder. So what we are going to do, let me show you how my front end of website is looking. So you can see that I already have an header, but this is a themed header. I haven't created it using Elementor Pro. This header is created using theme. So I'm going to replace it with the Elementor header. What you have to do is to click on add new, select header, and you can name it as main header or whatever you want. Click on create template. I'm gonna show you step-by-step process of creating the header. So once it's get loaded, we do not need any of these templates because I'm going to show you how you can create manually or custom headers by your own. So I will simply replicate this header. For now we have 1 2 3 sections in there, and on the very left section I have my logo. So I will place my logo here. Now you can see there is my logo. I will keep the column width to 20% or probably less than that. Yeah, that is fine. 10%, that is fine. And same with here, I'll keep it 20%, and in the center I want my menus to be appear. So I'll drag my menu widget here. You can see menu is all services. I want it to be main menu, so that my main menu appear here. The layout, I want it horizontal, and then alignment, I want it on the right align. I want the pointer to be underlined, that is absolutely fine. Animation is fade, submenu and indicator is classic, that is fine as well. Breakpoint is fine, and you have to ensure that the in mobile drop down you'll keep it as full width. I'll tell you why this is important. So once that is set it up, what you can do is to go to styles tab, and then you can change the colors. Okay, I am using an extension for fonts. This extension is called What Font. You can download it from Google Chrome store. So the font properties are 15 pixels of size, and the color code is this. I'm using the same color code and everything the same. I just want to show you those effects. So you can see this is changed now. The font that we are using here is called Mulish 700. Yeah, that is fine. For the hover, I want it to be the same color. I don't want to change the colors. And for the active, text color will remain the same, and I don't want any pointer on the active page. So this is basically, I changed the colors and the pointer colors. You can see this pointer here. So the next thing that we can do is to align it in the center. So you'll click on this section, this little icon here, and then go to vertical align and click on middle. So what it will do is it will align all these elements in the section in the center. So now what we can do is to add a button. So I'll grab a button widget and paste it here, and as before I'll change the vertical alignment to the center, and I want to change the colors of this button. So for now I will call it as book an appointment. I want my button size to be medium, and I can drag it little here, little left side. So go to styles tab, change the typography to the Moolish, and the font size to the 18, probably bigger. So 15 is fine, and I'll keep it 600 or probably 700. Anyway, you like it's up to you. I just want to show you how it works. So the border radius, I want it to be full circle like this, and when I hover over it, it should change the color to the yellow. I'll have to grab that yellow color from somewhere. So let's see where I can get that yellow color code. There it is. I have the code. For the color picking, you can use extension called Colorzilla. Colorzilla will definitely help you grabbing the color codes from any text or graphic available online. So this is very useful extension. I use this extension very much. So you can see our colors have changed. I just want to change the text color here, and on the hover I want my color to be white. So this is how it is looking now. Our header is looking fine, but you can see on the drop down these menu items are not similar in theme, so we'll have to fix that. So let's see how our main menu is looking. This is blue. I think this is, they have this color code. I'm copying the color code. I will change the background color so you can see background color is changed. I'll change the text color. So now our text color is changed. I'll change the typography for the font I am using, and I will change the font size to match. Okay, so now you can see our drop down has fixed, but we now have to change the hover color. So the hover color that we have is yellow, so we'll have to get the color code of yellow color. I'll copy it from there, and then the drop down, go to hover, change the background color, and now you can see. And now you can see it is changed. For the active, I want my background color to be yellow and my text color to be light blue, like this. So if I switch to mobile view, you can see things are not aligned. I'll have to fix that. For this logo section, you will click on this section icon and change its width to say 20% or 30%. Yeah, 30% is fine. You can keep it 40% or anything that you like, but I think 30 or yeah, 30% is fine. Then I'll have to fix this. I'll keep it 70%, and I want this button to be hide on mobile devices so that it don't show. Now I have to change the alignment of this hamburger icon. You will go to content section and then toggle align to the right side. Now if you notice this is looking like this because I have enabled the full width. If I disable this, you can see this is not full width now. This is only covering the section area and not the whole screen. So always ensure that you keep it to the full width like this so it looks fine. Then you can change the colors of your toggle button. For that I'll use the background color of blue, toggle background color to be blue. You can see it's changed, and on the hover I want my background color to be yellow. So go to hover, background color, yellow, and now you can see the colors are changed. So you can also change the tablet view from here. There you will only have to play around with the column widths. So with there I will keep it 15% and I will keep it like 50%, and I will increase the width of this section to see where it's get fits, because I want my button to appear like this. And I will increase its width so that it sticks right at the right of the page. So this is basically how you can create the header. I'll also have to add a background color to this section so that when it gets scroll down you can see them. So if I click on publish, add new condition, you will have to keep it entire site, and you can click on save and exit, and now we can see if our header is implemented here. So this is the header we have just created. This is not appearing here, I don't know why, but you will not have that problem. So go to main header section again, go to sticky header effects, enable this, and now it will ask you want it sticky on desktop, tablet and mobile. I want to keep it sticky on all of these devices. I want my header to be transparent header. Also I want my header to shrink as well when I scroll down. I don't want to change logo. However, if you want to change logo, you can click there and you can change the logo from here as well. This is asking for before scrolling. If you click on this will take white logo, and there are the options for after scrolling logo. I don't want any of these. I don't want blur black background, and I don't also want hide header on scroll down. So if I will update this, so let's see what changes we have now. You can see our header is now transparent, and if I scroll down it is sticky as well. You can add the border in here as well, bottom border. You can add the color any way you like. I'll keep it little gray, and border thickness to be like 4 pixels, and if I update it, you are now able to see the bottom border thickness. So this is basically how you can create the transparent header, transparent sticky header using Elementor and Elementor Pro. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you very much.